Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make two simple, easy Christmas ornaments for your tree. They're really simple to make. All I did was I bought some green ribbon from my dollar store, and I got it partially started now, and I'll show you how to do it. It's really easy. You do it like this. You get some tri-beads and you fit it in between, and you snip some wire. Whoops. I just got some wire snipped. Here's all my tri-beads. I'm just going with red, white, and green. And I'll show you right quick. I'm only going to put a few more on, and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, if you can see this, is just you take the ribbon and you fold it in. Okay, just put one more. Whoops, get that piece of wire out of the way. Okay, you put your bead on. You take your ribbon, poke it through, then loop it around, and poke it through again, and then put your next bead on. And you keep doing the same thing. And you put loops in between each one. Let's see, does it be big enough? Yes, that'll be big enough for a tree. Like this. And then when you get to the top, just take it and twist it. This is a really tough wire that I got, but I wanted something strong, not the flimsy craft wire, because I find it is too flimsy. It breaks really easy. Let's snip this off. There you go. Yeah. And yeah, snip off the ribbon. And what you can do is on the back, take the ribbon and glue them together like this on the back so they don't come loose. Okay, and just turn it around like that. And I got one like this on my tree. Now the ribbon that I used on the one on my tree I've had for years, the ribbon is a lot narrower. It's half the width of this one, but this is what I could find downtown. I searched everywhere for that thin ribbon, but they don't make it no more because I've had my wreath for years. Now, usually I'll put a little ribbon like this at the top. I think I might go with that yet, because I found these in my local dollar store too, and they got a loop that hangs down with a little bell that I could put there, but I don't think I'm going to put the bell in. I think I'm just going to put this ribbon here. And what I'll do, it comes with a little, I call it a baggy tie on the back, but I'm going to glue it on. Just going to twist this tight, snip it off, and then glue it on. Come on. There we go. Okay. And just put a bit of glue up there. Now don't worry about that wire sticking out. I'll snip that off in a few minutes. See, it's like a little wreath you hang on your tree. Now I'm going to put some gold cord on. Get some gold cord here. And this one is like it's like a rubber band. It's really elasticy. What I'll do is I'll probably tie it around the wire. Okay, and just take it like this. Snip it off. Okay, and just take my wire cutters and snip off that excess wire you see sticking up. There we go. Now I'll just try to straighten it and make it more round. There you go. Little tiny wreath for your tree. Plain, simple, and easy to make. Now the next one I'm going to show you is, I've had one on my tree for years again. It's a little tiny shooting star ornament that you can make for your tree. It's only a small little ornament, it's not very big, but I'll show you how to make it. It's really simple and easy. What you'll need some fishing line, some beads, and you're going to need a little star bead. I got one here, I want this one, but you can use ones like these, but I'm going to use the gold one. I like the gold one better. That's what, like the one I got on my tree. Okay, so I'll grab my line. Okay, you get your fishing line and you cut a big long piece off it. And what you do is fold it in half. You take this loop and run it through your star. And you make a big knot up at the top so that the star doesn't slip around. You just keep knotting until it's big enough that it don't slide through. Okay, there we go. Okay, and on each side, you take each string, you grab a sewing needle, and you thread it through. There we go. And I just laid it on top of these. You use some little tiny white beads, I don't know if you can see those, for making the tail end to make it look like a stream or like the tail end of a star as it's shooting across the sky. Oops, 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 oops. Dropped it. And you just run it through on each side. This bead's being uncooperative for some reason. And you do that to each string. You run the beads along it. Now, I'm using little white beads, but you can use like these here too, like little star beads. I don't know if you can see that. They're very small. But I'm using like little tiny white ones instead. And here it is. I got it finished to show you. Now, what you do, you take each end, tie it off. So now your beads slip and slide. Oops. And you can try to tie it as close as you can to the beads so that they don't slide up and down on the line. Yeah, I'm trying to get this one as close as I can to the beads. Oops. This one. See if I can knot it once more. Okay, snip off the excess. And there you have it. You got your little shooting star ornament. I got one like this on my tree for years. It makes a cute little ornament. And it splits open so it looks like a shooting star. Like I said, it was easy, simple, and all you need is just some beads and wire and ribbon and a few other items, and you can get this all at your local dollar store. Now, as you can see, I got a bunch of these little socks. I found these down in my craft room. I got loads of them. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to make a garland with them. And I'll have another Christmas ornament to show you how to make. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave.